Introducing the Coros OMNI Smart Cycling Helmet with bone conduction audio that gives you a safe, wireless, budless precision audio experience as you ride. Our technology delivers audio vibrations through your upper cheekbones and directly into your inner ear, keeping your ears open to listen to your environment and your hands on the bike. Combined with a wind-resistant microphone in your smartphone, you can play music, listen to voice navigation and ride data, and even take calls. Controls are right at your fingertips. With the smart remote, you can skip tracks, adjust volume, answer calls, and activate the safety light for maximum visibility. And with the cloud-based Coros smartphone app, you can set and save routes, track ride data, share, and compete all in real time. All of this integrated into a performance helmet that's sleek, lightweight, aerodynamic, and safe, giving you the power to stay connected and the freedom to love your ride.
This is the BLACKBURN Tradesman Multi-Tool. Based on appearances, it seems as if the Tradesman Multi-Tool is like every other multi-tool. And like any solid multi-tool, the Tradesman has its Allen wrenches, Torx wrenches, screwdriver, a spoke wrench, and even this little Presto valve tool. Unlike every other multi-tool, the Tradesman holds a complete chain repair system. Your standard chain tool, hidden quick link storage, and clever quick link removal tool. Never be stranded out in the middle of nowhere again. With all of this toolage, it's amazing that the Tradesman multi-tool is small enough to fit here and here. The BLACKBURN Tradesman multi-tool. It may appear similar to other multi-tools, but with its quick link storage and quick link tool, the Tradesman multi-tool is anything but similar, my friend.
The Swytch Kit. It's lightweight,
handheld, fits to your handlebars, and boosts your ride with electric power.
It connects easily and is instantly removable.
With Swytch, you get a bike and an e-bike all in one.
I'm Oliver.
and I'm Dimitro.
We invented the Swytch Kit for people that love their bikes.
As you cycle, the pedal sensor detects your cadence and sends the signal to the power pack. The control system calculates the optimum power required and delivers it to the motor in the front wheel, giving you all the extra power you need.
We build the front motor wheel for you in any size. Just take off the old wheel and fit the new motor wheel. Then, click on the power pack and you're good to go.
Choose between 5 different power levels for complete control.
Go further and faster without breaking a sweat.
250 watts of power will flatten any hills, and a single charge will last for 50 kilometers.
A bike lock is a tiny item, but it's also insurance for your beloved bike. It's estimated that over 1.5 million bicycles are stolen every year. Over 40% of stolen bikes were locked when being stolen. No matter how strong your lock is, it's still not nearly safe enough. What you need is a proactive bike guard. ZiiLock. ZiiLock is the first foldable bike lock with fingerprint unlock as well as a smartphone keyless entry for your bike. You are the key to the next street. ZiiLock is made of 6.5mm temper hardened steel bars, 7mm diameter rivets, and anti-drilling components, providing the security of an U-lock with the flexibility of a chain. The 98cm unfolding length enables a wider protective range. Even cargo e-bike or fat-tired bike can be locked easily. The compact design makes ZiiLock easily folded and carried in the portable lock case or your bag. The rubber surface coating also protects your bike's paint job. It uses an always-on Bluetooth connection with your phone, so your bike can be locked and unlocked with only the tap of a button. ZiiLock is equipped with a sensitive motion sensor. It can detect any unauthorized actions and alert you right away. You can always keep an eye on your bike just like you are next to it, even if you are 100 meters away. Hey man! ZiiLock! You can share a temporary code with someone, allowing your friend or family to use your bike or lock by their smartphone. ZiiLock is embedded with an efficient lithium battery and low power consumption components, supporting long-lasting protection up to 3 months. When the battery runs out, you can still unlock it with a spare key.
The Absolute Cycling One, the smartest cycling computer in the world. The Absolute Cycling One has the brains of a scientist and the heart of a cyclist. It gives you accurate and reliable data in real time, has a 20-hour battery life, and is elegantly designed to perfectly complement your bike. The Absolute Cycling One makes an external speed sensor redundant and uses the Absolute Positioning technology to track your location within a range of 2 meters, even after losing satellite connection.
By combining GNSS with a combination of built-in sensors, it's able to track your position more often. Current systems lack position accuracy, especially in harsh conditions like forests and tunnels. Your movements will be measured at high sampling rates. If you lose satellite connection, a cycling-specific fusion algorithm will calculate your position.
When your heart is going at a rate of 180, you only have a fraction of a second to look down. That's why we're using a high-contrast, full-color screen with an interface designed especially for cyclists with just 3 buttons. This way, you can focus on what's most important: you and your ride.